When will you just learn she's got you? Right round her little finger. When will you just learn she's got you? Right round her little finger. We were brothers and there were no others, man. I told you that all of this would happen. Just look what you did. Now you're a weird kid and those girlies are good until you have one. But I'm not jealous of you. I'm just a fella who remembers before you grew up. She's gonna eat your soul, leave you with a hole needs filling. No one can fill it up. Minute by minute, a love, sweet love. I don't get why you haven't had enough. Second by second, it wears you away and you're gone. When will you just learn she's got you? Wrap round her little finger. When will you just learn she's got you? Wrap round her little finger. You still think that she's evil and that she will blow you away, and that she will steal everything that you're meant to say. You're still around, but you're not who you were born. So why won't you sit and let reality dawn? When will you just learn she's got you? Wrap around her little finger. When will you just learn she's got you? Wrap around her little finger. If I should see you in the sky, I will look up with some delight. I'll probably ask you shit you heard a million times. How many parts of things I do would you consider crimes? I'll ask you which way I should go. And even if you answer, I won't trust you in my soul. I'm only human, I watch stories on TV. They give me an ending when an ending's all I need. You don't know how much I love this. You don't know how much I love this. So many lines I've had to cross. Don't wanna belong to a club with such a lenient boss. Get your ass down here, reprimand me for my sins. How can I know reason if no reason's why I've been? How come every man ain't good? And if it happened overnight, would you retire if you could? If I believe in heaven, I deny myself a death. Dying keeps me conscious of the way I waste my breath. You don't know how much I love this. 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 So you'll tell me how it is. But what if how it is does not agree with how I live? Should I admit the path I'm on is not the best? Should I join your superhighway cause you say that it's correct? answer I can trust. Things I should be doing ain't the same as things I must. Tony Soprano is a teacher I respect. He has always been there when I take a nasty step. You don't know how much I love this. 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 So I don't think we should confer. Let's just grab a cup of coffee, get fair trade if you'd prefer. You'll look at me ways that I've never looked at you, and I'll step back still